our trampoline. Our trampoline is gone. Trampoline just hit a tree. See, chickens are out there. We got a lot of trash that keeps flying around. I don't know, but it's very crazy. Just a few seconds ago, this trampoline flew into this tree. It's pretty windy outside. You can see trampoline used to be right there, but now it's over there. It went to that tree. Now it's over there. There's some pretty strong winds right now. It can cause trees to bend, and some trees can even break. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! So if you're ever in a high wind warning, make sure to get to the lowest floor of the building. Oh my gosh! There's water hitting my face right now. Power just went out. Alright guys, the power keeps going out. Alright, so since it's so windy outside, we decided to put like logs and stuff on our cat shelter because our cat Pumpkin is actually in here, and we don't want her little house to fly away. If he didn't have these logs, she would probably be fine, but just in case, this Pumpkin, she's safe in her little home. These logs are supposed to help her with the wind. It's pretty windy. We don't want her house to go away.